Yes, sir. What's poppin', YouTube? Wherever you watching this, IG, TikTok. What's poppin' with y'all? Hopefully y'all having a good month. We back with another one. This is that official KeeSounds sexy drill tutorial. You feel me? So let's get into that straight up. This one, how can I say? No sample. We did our thing. Nothing too crazy. I think this sounds like achievable. This isn't like nothing advanced, nothing like that. I gotta keep these beats very simple. But let's get into it. As you can see, try to keep it real simple. Like I did get a chance. I got some like actual drill sounds. I had to like dig for those. But yeah, I'm gonna get into it. Like if it's still up here, it should be. I'll show you what I used. This was just citrus, I believe. This is some citrus. Got some Asian string. And then I had like the realistic keys. Boo bass. All about that bass. A little mid, but no treble. There's some sauce. We got a drill sword sound. Let me just see if I'm still recording. Yep. We got stomp. Feel me? Brixton main perk. Kick. Clap. Hi-hat. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Got my tag.
KeeSounds with the hood shit.
Other than that, it's just structuring and how you like kind of arrange the beat. And I did let it fade out at the end over here. But yeah, let's get into the drums. Yes, sir. So for the drums is kind of simple. Like one of the bros was showing me this like a bunch of sexy drill type beats, and I was like, well, just songs. He was showing me like Cash Cobain and whoever else. You feel me? And I was just like, dang, like not gonna hold you. These beats is kind of simple, like, but it's all about that sample, how to recreate that sample. That sample kind of gives you that sound. So but yeah, like real quick, let's go into these hi-hats for these drums. So kept it simple. So that's just repeating. That's just like the same repeating sound. So we'll come over here into, I don't think I use this sound. So we got that hi-hat. Yeah, I didn't use this other hi-hat. Excuse me. So clap, regular drill clap, snare. Basically, I'll say like this. This is the regular drill snare pattern. You feel me? So like sexy drill, excuse me. Let's go to pattern 4. So we did pattern 4. Pattern 5, here we go. So this is the stomps. And the stomps are basically, they just follow the kicks. my stomp wasn't like tuned right, the stomp that I had. Um, so I just dropped it like down like a note. Other than that, some bass. Bass is simple, only a couple notes. Not even gonna hold y'all. Feel me? But this is like some spins, as you can see. It's like official spins, but I didn't end up putting that in there. We went with that boo bass from stock FL Studio. So but yeah, that's basically it, y'all. Like I did put some we got like, you know, a perk loop down here. Um I took a part of the strings, or I took a part of the perk loop, and I what's the word? I reversed it, made like a kind of like how a reverb would go out. And it sounds pretty cool when it's like against everything else. Trying to think what else is in here. There's a bunch of little other sounds, but I'm just gonna like keep it like that. But the main thing I did was like right here at the end, the very end of the beat. That's just the beginning of the beat right here. Like this beginning section, it's just like switched over a little bit. But yeah, that's really it. Like I try to keep this one simple. I made this one for an artist, and that was really it, y'all. But yeah, some sexy drill. That's a sexy drill tutorial. And like I was saying, like, did I go over? Hold on, before I even ended, did I even go over like, because like, you know, we got this loop. We got this loop right here. This is kind of how I started out, right? Before I end this. So we had these keys right here from this Asian string. And then I paired it with these keys from Citrus. And then that's how I got this loop over here. So I rented those sounds out, and that's how I was kind of able to keep it simple. You know, just like using structure and music theory, keeping it simple, y'all. But yeah, that was it, y'all. This is sexy drill tutorial. Now we can really end it. You feel me? On this chilly cold Friday. You feel me? Had to bring out that chinchilla on y'all. You feel me? How to bring out that chinchilla on y'all. Yes, sir. But it's your boy KeeSounds. We gonna be hitting y'all with some more sexy drill. You know, we got a lot of more sounds coming out. A lot of more songs dropping soon. Like a lot's happening. I don't want to give too much away, but y'all just stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for just, you know what I mean, keeping it locked, tapping in as always. But yeah, y'all. TGIF, thank God it's Friday. Tapping with the next one. Yes, sir. KeeSounds. Let's go.